Welcome to the Super Sparkle Show!
I'm sinking!
I'm not. Today we will be in a blizzard in Antarctica.
Yeah!
That's where we are.
Even though the Koreans said snow clouds here. Me and my sister are gonna do another video outside, and our dog is right there. So I'm gonna climb on here. Not bad. A snow pit. Just unbuttoned, even though they're not supposed to. I'm gonna jump off, then I'm gonna try to come back on here. Wait! Oh my! I sunk right to the bottom. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get out.
Yo, what's up? I'm here.
Yep, she's here. And I'm still down here. I'm gonna try to get up.
Should I jump?
No, don't jump.
I don't know how I'm gonna get up here to jump. But I can try. How did you get up?
I just did.
Do you like lift your leg and go like,
Oh, yep.
I'm gonna try to get, I'm gonna try to,
Get up there. You know, she should try from the corner and go like that.
oh, that's a good idea. I will. Are you
So,
gonna fall backwards? Do you
maybe.
need help?
Thank you. Yeah.
You gonna fall?
No. I'm gonna wait till you're up here so we can both. I almost just fell because I'm gonna wait. If you are always wondering who's holding the camera, it's our daddy.
Yes.
You're totally doing it wrong. Okay.
I know I'm doing it wrong.
So you can see it's like a storm out here.
It's like a storm.
It is a storm.
And there's no school.
So that's why we're doing a video today, because we just did one yesterday.
Just fall.
No! Get up the way I showed you.
How? I can't. Like this?
Yeah.
I can't get up like that.
Okay, how would I just fall?
Okay.
I'm going to go over here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
3, 2,
What?
that seems fun.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, why don't we just go like, whoop? We can, like, make snowmen and stuff. I'm gonna try. Never mind, it's not the right snow for a snowman. Okay.
Hi.
Okay. This is weird. There's not much snow over here. It's just snow-ish. Why did I come over here? I forgot.
Boo. Hey, look, it's a cloud.
Snowplow.
Hey, look, there's a polar bear.
Oh, polar bears! I'm not a polar bear.
That polar bear looks freaked out because it's scared.
Yes.
But it's also sleeping. And it has babies. It's cute.
Yes.
So cute.
So cute. So much snow on my gloves.
Watch what I'm going to do.
Oh, watch what she's gonna do.
I'll show you how we got up there.
Okay.
Okay.
How did you get up?
Got it. Oh.
Okay, I see how you did it.
You might fall into snow though. You like have to flip and land on your feet though.
I know. That did not work.
I do know I was wearing that hat last time. Now I'm just wearing a purple thing with a dog hat. Because her cheeks were purple.
They were literally purple.
Well,
But now they're gonna be normal. Ding.
Yay!
Hello. I'm gonna try to get up here.
I need
Probably
your,
gonna fail.
Daddy, can you help me? I just need your shoulder.
Ow.
Video camera hurt.
Hello.
And I'm scared.
You gonna fall backwards?
Nope. I'm gonna jump forward. Hi, I'm still here. I'm still alive.
That's good.
Well, of course I'm alive.
I'm gonna like walk along the thing.
Ugh. Wait, really old snow.
Ah.
I'm still here.
I hope I don't fall. Oh wait. Oh no, I fell. How am I supposed to get up?
You just are. I'm okay. Don't throw anything at the camera. Move backward.
I can't do a backflip.
Okay, I'll help. I want to see if I can do a backflip into the snow. Wait, front flip into the snow. Ah!
This is hard.
I'm scared to do the front flip inside the snow even though I don't have to. I want to.
I'll get it.
Too scared to.
You don't have to do a flip.
But I want to.
Okay.
Wait!
Awesome flip.
I didn't even do a flip.
The blizzard is done, and we are going to jump into the snow.
Okay.
And I hope you enjoyed that there was a blizzard, and it's still snowing a little bit,
But not really.
but not really. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the snow now.
Wait! Oh my.
That's really funny.
I'm okay.
How did your mitten fall off?
It was stuck.
This is so fabulous. It's like,
Well, I jumped on the crazy curve, so I'm not really stuck. But I am stuck because my knees are stuck.
this is really weird.
Okay, I'm getting up.
That looks like an awesome hill. Thanks for watching and subscribing and watching. I said that twice, oops. And thanks for liking and commenting. Goodbye.